Yo, what's up guys, this is Alias, and in this video I will show you how to make this really cool looking lightning logo reveal animation in After Effects. And yeah, it's really simple. We need one plugin which is completely free, and this is the Saber plugin, and I will put a link in the description. But otherwise, for these cool lightning bolts we will only need After Effects and presets. So yeah, I'd say let's just start. So let's delete all this, and yeah, first of all let's add our logo. Okay, this is really dark, so let's maybe also deactivate this so we can see it better for now, and then just create a solid and turn down the opacity to like 10% so we can see through it. And now we have to mask out this logo on this solid. So select our pen tool and let's just mask it out real quick. And if you want straight lines, you can just hold shift like here on the bottom, and yeah. Okay, so now let's turn back the opacity to 100 and delete our logo. And now we can add the Saber Effect, which is one of my favorites, and we can just select some nice preset. I'll just use the electric preset because I think this looks really good. And now we have to go to customize core and change the core type from Saber to layer mask, so it will be applied to the mask we just did. And now this looks good, but we want it to have like a fade in animation and of course a fade out animation. So let's do this real quick. So let's just go to the beginning and put in a keyframe at start offset and put it to like 100%, and then just go forward to like 1 second and turn it back to 0. So we have this cool fade in effect. And now we can also do this for the end. So we have to put in a keyframe at end offset at 100 and go to the end and turn it down to 0. So now we already have this cool effect, and we can play around with some settings. Sometimes I like to turn down the end size a little bit like this, so we get like, it's not it's like it has a little bit more details. It's not the same thickness everywhere, and I think this looks a bit better. But you can do it whatever you like. And now we have to make some lightning bolts. For this we have to create a new solid, and just search for lightning and select advanced lightning. And okay, so first of all let's change the lightning type from direction to strike, and we also want the color to be similar to our logo. So go to, where is it, to core settings, no, to glow settings, and just select the pen tool and just find the perfect color. And okay, let's animate this, because as we can see it's just like static, it doesn't move, and we don't want this of course. So let's go to the beginning and place the keyframe at conductivity state, and then just go to like 1 second maybe, and put in something like 6. So now we have this, and I think this looks really cool. Maybe it's a bit too fast, so we can maybe turn this down to not 6 but maybe 3. Let's see. This looks cool. And we can also animate the fade in and fade out animation for this one. So let's go to, first of all let's select the effect and place some keyframes at the first of all at the direction. So we want the direction at the beginning to be the same as the origin, and then we can go forward a bit and just drag it down just like this. And now we have, oh wait, I accidentally chose the wrong keyframe, so let's do it again. Okay, jetzt schneide ich raus. Okay, but let's also give it a fade in and fade out animation. So go to the beginning and oh no, actually go to 1 second and place a keyframe at direction, and then just go back to the start and yeah, move the direction up basically to the beginning, so we get this yeah cool effect where it just comes in like a lightning bolt. And maybe let's just move the keyframes a bit so it will be faster, just like this. And again, we can also make a fade out animation. For this we have to place a keyframe at origin, then just go forward a bit and then drag down the origin to the destination. So now we got this cool effect. And yeah, let's actually bring this back a little bit, or just to this keyframe. So yeah, we can see how long this lightning bolt exists, and then we can just play with the size a bit. Maybe first of all turn it down, and then we can just duplicate it a few times with Ctrl D and move it and rotate it to wherever we like. So change the size again, change the rotation a bit, and yeah, you can play around, as I said, and just try a few things that you think look cool. And I also really like to displace the lightning bolts on the timeline a bit, so they start on different times, so it will look more random. And yeah, but it's up to your creativity how you like these ones. So just do what you think looks good. Maybe change the directions a few times. And as I said, displace them a bit. And now we got this cool effect. And yeah, that's it basically. Okay, this one doesn't fit that much, but let's change it real quick. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.